All right, guys, this is Andy's reaction.
What is up, guys? We are back with another video. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing. Sorry, everything kind of looks crazy right now. I'm down in the basement, the cars are in the garage, and I can't really move them right now. Plus, it's not really worth it. But like I said, today we are going to be doing an unboxing. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to hear me well enough, I guess is the term to use there, because my allergies have been killing me the past couple days, and it's just a whole mess up in this region. So let's get to this unboxing. We got a few goodies for you today, so I'm gonna get on the head strap. All right, and with that, we are back. So we are on the head strap now. We got three little things here. One's a little bit bigger. These two are kind of small. So I guess the first one we'll start off with is this one. It's from Diode Dynamics. So we have the XP80, which is their new bulb. It is actually the reverse light. So this one is, I believe, 510 lumens, which is very, very bright. They do have another LED version of this bulb. I believe it's 310 lumens, and I'm not sure what the factory bulb is. But either way, this is going to be a lot brighter. It's a quick, not even a 5-minute install. So we're probably going to throw this in tonight and see what happens with that. And then the plan was to, if it fits, possibly put the Diode Dynamics sticker on the reverse light, so when it does come on, this kind of illuminates and makes it look cool. We'll see if it fits. If it doesn't, then we'll just let it run naked. This second box, this is actually from a seller on eBay. Now, some people might think that this is kind of stupid, but I think it's pretty cool. I'm sure a lot of other people will think it's cool. This is actually from Anchor Room. Now, this wasn't the seller on eBay. This was just a person selling this. So we have a new dash plate. I don't know if you guys are able to see that 100%. There might be some glare. But it says Coyote Supercharged. It's got the Coyote howling. I don't know when I'm going to put this on. It'll definitely be either tonight or this weekend, but I need to test fit it and see if it leaves a gap along the side of the original one, because if that's the case, I'll probably take the original one off and just fully replace it with this one instead of covering it. So, like I said, I think it's pretty cool. We'll see how it looks on the car. I think it kind of helps with that black appearance. It gets rid of more chrome, which isn't really a big deal. On a positive note, though, I think I was kind of distracted by that notification. So, Nick, blur this part out. Sweet. All right, I think that's good news. I think, boom. I just hit 1,500 followers on Instagram, which was my goal before Mustang week. So if any of you guys that are following me are watching this video, thank you guys so much. You rock. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content. We still got a lot more plans in the future, not even just with the Mustangs, but with other stuff coming. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. Again, thank you guys so much. So now I say we get on to the big box. This is the big thing. When the video that just dropped today, when we were talking or doing the diffuser, I said we got one more big thing coming to the rear end. A lot of you probably guessed this, but this is actually a new sponsor that I just gained. I won't tell you the name until I actually unbox them, because otherwise it will, as I lose my balance, it'll completely give it away. So we're just going to kind of hold off on the name for now, and we're just going to cut this open with my handy dandy bullet knife from Myrtle Beach. So shout out to Myrtle Beach, you know, Mustang week. So let's see what these bad boys look like. Oh God, how am I gonna get this out of here? All right. Hey Nick, before I do this, play some like dramatic music. Uh-oh, what do we got here? Let's go ahead and take one out. We'll just take this one because it looks easier to grab. Now, we're not gonna be installing these until Friday. Today is Wednesday, so it'll be the next clip for you guys, most likely, unless we decide to throw in some other clips before that. But either way, it'll be very fast for you guys, but like 3 days for me. The Whipple S550 is now going to be rocking smoked Euro taillights. These things are awesome. You can still see kind of like that carbon type look on the side. These actually look like 100% like OEM. I mean, the quality of them feels very good. I like this material on the sides. It's basically the same as stock. Now, we're gonna put these on the car and we'll probably hit them with some water since I have a warranty on them, and we'll see, you know, how they stand up. I wanna do, even though I'm sponsored by this company, which I will go ahead and give them a shout out on Instagram. It is Euro Taillights. Love the guys there. They were super nice, willing to work with me. You know, huge shout out to them. Hopefully, you guys will love the look of these on my car. I know I will. And we'll just kind of hopefully continue to work together. You know, I dropped another project idea on them today, and they're definitely looking into it. So we might have more of their products on the car. We're gonna see. There they are, guys. We got some smoked Euro taillights for the Whipple S550. I think they're gonna look killer. Drop a comment down below. I mean, you guys are gonna see them on the car, but drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think that these look better than the factory taillights that are on there now with the tint. So, like I said, we will see you guys in the next clip when we're putting these on the car. All right, guys, you're on the head strap. Look who's here. So, as you can see, I am wearing long sleeves. I was messing with my coil covers, as you can clearly see. I'll walk over here and show you. So I was stripping the paint off of them. I don't want to touch it. This stuff from Napa paint stripper, this stuff works. It got all that paint off of there, but this shit is nasty. A little drop got on my arm and I thought it was water, so I just kind of left it go. It's like right here, and I kind of like heard a little like crackling noise like you hear with Rice Krispies. I was like, what the fuck? And I looked down and it's like this little spot of this nasty stuff, and it was literally bubbling on my arm and it started burning, and I was like, oh God. So I ran inside and washed it off, and it left a nice little mark. So anyway, now that we got one thing done, there's gonna be multiple things done in this video. We are going to start working on these taillights. So to get these off, I believe you have to move the carpet out of the way a little bit, but you gotta unscrew these two things right here, one on each side. And then you basically pop, actually there's two on each side, I lied, I'm sorry. So you gotta pop these off, and then we take off this plastic trim right here. I think we have to remove these, the carpet out of the way, and then there's basically two small nuts that hold these on, and then we undo the connection, pop it out, pop the new one in. Very simple. Yep. So we're gonna set up a time lapse, and I'll still have the GoPro recording so you guys can see the process. Let's get to it.
Cool. All right, guys, this is Andy's reaction.
You gotta come look at them from back
Is
here.
it dirt nasty?
Yeah, we're turning this on. Oh my God, guys.
It puts the whole car together.
I can't give a big enough shout out to Euro taillights. Check them out on Instagram. I'll have Nick pop the their thumbnail or their Instagram name right here where my fingers are, words. They're appearing right here in this box. You know, right here where my fingers are pointing in this little box, like right here. Shout out to them. This is absolutely insane. These things look phenomenal. Oh my God.
All right, guys.
Everybody look at me like I'm a douchebag.
He feels so self-conscious about this head strap, but it's
just
convenient. I don't get why
no, it's very convenient, but everyone just looks at you like,
screw 'em.
what's on your head, man?
Unless they're gonna start paying us money, they can go screw themselves.
Right.
But as you saw, all that's done. And as he showed you earlier, that plaque in there, looking pretty crisp.
That adds, I think roughly 20 horsepower at the wheels,
Yes.
just because it says supercharger on
Yes.
it. So
But you don't
now
have a
she's making
supercharger.
closer to 800 at the wheels.
I keep telling you guys, don't let this guy fool you. He's got an EcoBoost in there.
I do. It's a sneaky eco boost. It's a sneako boost.
Yes.
It's a sneako boost because it'll pop up and get you.
All right, guys.
We're back.
We're back. The video's basically done, but as you saw, we got these crispy girls in. Saw Andy's reaction. He's pretty happy.
So happy. I mean, just overall, these things look phenomenal. As you saw, I got the clip of the dash plaque that I put on, the reverse light. We didn't actually get a video of that, but I have a picture that I took at night that I'll throw in there so you guys can see it. A million times brighter. Like I said, this light, this is their XP80 bulb, so it's like their top of the line, and it puts out 510 lumens.
2,000 years later.
So you can already tell that is a ton. Hopefully the camera's kind of focusing and actually, you know, picking that up. That's a ton brighter than, you know, the original like halogen light. See, that's a coyote.
Yeah.
That's definitely a coyote. See, Nick and I have ears for that
Yes,
kind of
it
thing,
is.
and we know the sound of Mustangs, and whenever we're over here working or doing stuff, we're like, hey, that's a Mustang. And I heard it backfire and did like a pop. I don't know if he got on a two-step or something, but it popped, and I was like, what?
Yeah, he's letting the rip tater chip.
That's a coyote.
Oh, yep, that's a coyote for sure. I don't know if you guys can catch that or not.
See, it's not just me.
But
I win.
on that note, that's going to be it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.
And as I say every time, share it with your friends, people you hate, your grandparents, your dog.
They hate their grandparents?
They might, I don't know. Some people do, man. Some people are weird, but you know, share it with your dog. I don't know if your dog watches YouTube, but hey, there's trainers out there. You can train your dog to watch YouTube, so.
And don't forget, get that bell on, like I said last video. It really helps us out, and like we said before, you'll know when the content is coming out, so you can watch all the wonderful content coming your way.
All of our beautiful faces and the beautiful
So
cars.
beautiful. Okay.
What?
All right, guys, that's it for the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.
Ah!